Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Billy Hartono. I'm from Indonesia, and now I try to present it my article. My article is the effect of commodification in the identity chain of Tapis Lampung clothes. Introduction: Globalization is a phenomenon in human civilization that moves continuously in a global society. The existence of information and communication technology speed up the acceleration of globalization. Globalization brings up many new obstacles and problems that should be answered and solved, then can take advantage of globalization for the benefit of life. Globalization has dragged things that are local and born in the characteristic of origin into something that is global and circulated freely across local boundaries. And globalization gives challenge to the development of Indonesia culture. Traditional art which has been as a form of community expression to create harmony between human and their environment is required to be able to compete with other cultural products openly. Traditional art has become a cultural object that mass produced by an industry for financial gain. From here was born culture commodification as buying and selling transaction of cultural objects in the form of traditional art which produced and packaged in such a way that it can continue to follow the needs and taste of the market. The globalization in Indonesia gives enormous influence to Tapis cloth as traditional cultural product. Tapis cloth experience change and development as an effort in maintaining its existence to become commodity product which oriented to economic advantage. Experiencing from transformation from sacred cultural product become profound as industrial product to increase commodity economy. This phenomena show that there has been a shift and degradation of cultural values in originality or authenticity of Tapis Lampung cloth to commodification. This is some example of traditional Lampung Tapis cloth. And then methodology. This research is a qualitative descriptive with using socio-cultural approach. This research was conducted in Bandar Lampung City and was specifically studied to commodification occur in tapis cloth as a traditional art and its effect to the identity chain of tapis cloth for Lampung people. The sort of data for this research are displays and event, informant, and document. The data are collected through observation, interviews, and the literature studies technique. The accuracy of the data is determined by the triangulation of data source. Discussion: the commodification of tapis cloth. Tapis cloth is traditional cloth which become traditional and religion ceremonies equipment of Lampung people. Tapis cloth become one of requirement and equipment which will be fulfilled in the various related ceremonies to the human life from one stage to another stage, such as birth, marriage, and death. The tradition in making tapis cloth is an activity of Lampung people to fulfill their inner need and social activity which become a part of tradition and culture of Lampung, not for commercial purpose. This is example for the function of the tapis cloth from the social aspect as a symbol of social status, and the example of the function of tapis cloth from religious aspect as a dance equipment in the ceremony. The rapid development of tapis cloth was going faster because of the effect of globalization which influences various community life aspects. Tapis cloth as traditional art product required to be able to compete with modern products from various regions. In order to survive, Tapis Lampung cloth was developed and packaged in such way to fulfill consumer demand and taste. Tourism in Lampung, following government program to improve tourist world in on 1986 to cope and solve national financial problem also give effect to commodification in Tapis Cloth because tourism with various activities which are related to tours and interest and another related business. This is a picture of traditional technique with gold thread embroidery and the effect of commodification on aspect of the use of the machine in the manufacture on Tapis Cloth. Besides globalization and tourism factor, the development and the change of the Tapis Cloth cannot be spared from the rule of various parties, which become agent of change. Parties who have effort in development and innovation, such as craftsmen, region government, and private institution. Various development effort in conducted to so that Tapis Lampung cloth can exist, compete, and suitable with people demand and taste. So, in the end, it can improve the economy and the welfare of Tapis cloth craftsmen. Tapis cloth is modified because have visual interests that are typical and unique of traditional art, which have selling value and a precious capital to Lampung people economy development. Tapis cloth product now not only from a woman sarung but also made with various modification in various shape which more varied and diverse, such as various men and women modern fashion, clothes, accessories, souvenirs, and interior aesthetic element. The new creation of Napis cloth product form in the modern style, various product type and form, faster making process, cheaper price, and more flexible in the using. Tapis cloth product now no more using natural coloring, but using synthetic coloring which has good coloring, various color choice, cheaper price, and faster process. One of supporting factors that cannot be separated from the commodification of tapis cloth is creativity for by craftsmen and openness of Lampung people to new ideas and new technology development, especially that related to the process of tapis cloth making. The craftsmen of tapis cloth trying to make many development effort and change of tapis Lampung cloth in various aspects, such as in basic cloth material and decorative yarn, used tool and making techniques, coloring material, decorative motif to the product from it. The change of tapis Lampung cloth identity. Globalization is influencing the ideology of Lampung people community to create to creative and modern through direction which cause change to the structural of Lampung people. Creativity owned by craftsmen pushed development and change to tapis cloth and opened of Lampung people to new ideas. Development of tourist world in Lampung also give influence to commodification in Lampung in tapis cloth. The role of related institution, both government institution and private institution. Commodification in tapis cloth has big effect so it's cause change in the aspect and of product form, motif material, and technique in the making of tapis cloth which oriented to the fulfillment of market taste. In economy aspect, this absolutely has positive effect for communities in order to prosper their life. Therefore, besides positive effect from tapis cloth, commodification, better if people need to consider the negative effect that would be happen in the future with the influence of global with culture with affected to capitalism culture practices that differ to culture commodification. It shows that there is a shift in socio-cultural aspect. However, commodification causing the loss of cultural identity in tapis cloth because it is already become cultural capital from the owner to gain profit. Commodification in tapis cloth with make is It as trading commodity give a chain effect to its value and meaning. Tapis Lampung cloth is changed from sacred values product to related to religion and belief become profane object. Besides loss of cultural identity effect, commodification also causes the loss of his. The new identity of Lapis Lampung cloth as capital product is the result of this supporting community paradigm change. Because before commodification, Lapis cloth is only known as traditional craft of Lampung people. But after commodification, Tapis cloth as Lampung cultural identity, oracle value of Tapis cloth. Conclusion: development and change that conducted in Tapis cloth accelerate because its various supported factors such as effect from globalization, incessant development effort of tourism both in Lampung, creativity of the craftsmen, openness paradigm of Tapis Lampung supporting community, and the support from government and private institutions. Commodification in Tapis cloth become market commodity, give change effect to the form and the function of Tapis Lampung cloth. Tapis Lampung cloth change from a sacred object become profane object. Change and development of Tapis cloth keep referring to traditional Tapis cloth, even completed by showing other form of local wisdom that already become to the regional identity. This is some example a new creation of Tapis cloth. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.